Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. 'Cause a vision softly creeped in, left it while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. I walk the empty streets alone. Now the streets are cobblestone. Neath the halo of an East Street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes are stared by the flash of a neon light, slip the night, echo the sound of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets were written on the subway walls, tenement halls, disturb the sound of silence. Say I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Take my arms that I might reach you. Hold my arms that I might teach you. That my words like silent raindrops fell. Echo